Good morning, student. Student, today's topic is function. Question is, it is question number 4 from exercise 3.1 R.D. Sharma. Let A equal to set minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. And there is a function from A to Z. And function is defined as x square minus 2x minus 3. Find first part, range of f. Second part, pre-images of 6, minus 3 and 5. See the solution. For the range, we will put these elements in fx. So let us find f minus 2. It is minus 2 square minus 2 into minus 2 minus 3. Then it is 4 plus 4 minus 3, which is 5. Then f minus 1, it is minus 1 square minus 2 into minus 1 minus 3. It is 1 plus 2 minus 3 is 0. Then f0 is 0 square minus 2 into 0 minus 3 is minus 3. Then f1 is 1 minus 2 minus 3. It is minus 4. Then f2 is 2 square minus 2 into 2 minus 3 is cancelled, so it is minus 3. So range is also a set. Range is the set of images. So images we will get 5, 0, minus 3, minus 4. So the range is, there are only 4 elements, 0, minus 3, minus 4 and 5. Element will not repeat, that is why this minus 3 will not come here. The second part, find the pre-image. To find the pre-image of 6, so here x is said to be image of x. So let fx equal to 6. So we have to find the value of x. It is x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 6, or it is x square minus 2x minus 9 equal to 0. Students, see here discriminant d. Let us check the discriminant. It is b square minus 4ac. It is 4 minus 2 square is 4. 4 into a is 1, it is minus 9. So it is 4 plus 36 is 40, which is positive. Factors not possible. Now let us find x. So here formula x equal to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. It is minus plus, so 2 plus minus root 40 upon 2 into 1. So this element not belongs to A. So we can say the pre-image of 6 is 5, no element. So result for this is 5. For second part, in element, when fx is minus 3, then x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to minus 3 is cancelled, x common, x minus 2 equal to 0. From this we will get two values of x is 0 or x equal to 2. So pre-images of minus 3, that is images of minus 3 is a set of 0 and 2. These two elements belongs to A, therefore it is the pre-image of minus 3. Similarly, we can find a pre-image of 5. Then we will put when fx equal to 5, then x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 5, x square minus 2x is minus 8 equal to 0. From this, we will get the values of x, that is 4 to the 8, so minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. From this, we will get x equal to 4 and x equal to minus 2. 4 does not belong to A, so pre-image is minus 2. Pre-image of 5 is minus 2. Student, next is question 5. Your question is, if a relation F defined from R to R, it is defined from R to R, and it is defined as fx equal to 3x minus 2 when x is less than 0, it is 1 when x equal to 0, and it is 4x plus 1 when x is greater than 0. Find the values of f1, f minus 1, f0 and f2. Now see the solution. First case f1. Student, 1 is greater than 0. 1 is greater than 0, that is why we will take the function 4x plus 1. So it is 4 into 1 plus 1 and it is 5. f1 is 5. f minus 1. Minus 1 is less than 0. So it belongs to here, 3x minus 2. So it is 3 into minus 1 minus 2. It is minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. Then f0 is very simple. It is directly 1. f0 is 1. It is given here. Then f2. Again, 2 is greater than 0. So belongs to this. 4 into 2 plus 1, which is 8 plus 1 is 9. Student, if f of f1 is asked, then first we find f1. f1 is 5. Now 5 is greater than 0. So f of 5 is 4 into 5 plus 1, which is 20 plus 1 is 21. So we can say f of f1 is 21. This type question also can be asked. Student, if f of f minus 3 is asked, then first we find f minus 3, which is minus 11. Then f of f minus 3, it is also belongs to same. So 3 into minus 11 minus 2, it is minus 33, minus 2 is minus 35. So this type of question also can be asked. Next is question 8. Question is, write the following relations as the set of ordered pairs and find which of them are functions. So here first part, x comma y such that y equal to 3x. Here x belongs to set 1, 2, 3 and y belongs to set 3, 6, 9, 12. So first of all, we will write this as a set of ordered pair. So ordered pair is ordered pair equal to, when x is 1, then y equal to 3. So it is 1 comma 3, 2 comma 6 and 3 comma 9. This is the set of ordered pair. Now, if we make an arrow diagram, then see 1, 2, 3, let this is the set A, this is the set B, then is the solution. Here element 3, 6, 9, 12. Now let us check. Image of 1 is 3, image of 2 is 6, image of 3 is 9. Here all elements of the set A having their own image and unique element. All elements of the set A has the unique image in the set B. So the condition of function is valid here and we can say this ordered pair is a function. So yes, it is a function.